Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greeting of virtue. Hello everyone, and please be upon us all. I respect Mr. Anang Anandiar, MPD, as the lecturer of the Pancasila Education course, as well as my friend who I am proud of. Introducing, I am Salawaliya Salsabila from the Accounting Study Program, Class AK24I. On this occasion, I will first present Chapter 3 material with the title How Pancasila Become the State Foundation of the What is Pancasila? First of all, let's understand what is Pancasila. Pancasila is the foundation of the Republic of Indonesia that is officially stated in the preamble of the 1945 Constitution. Firstly, in the fourth paragraph, Pancasila consists of 5 precepts that guide the life of the nation and state for all Indonesians. Main functions of Pancasila. Then, what are the main functions of Pancasila? Pancasila has 3 important roles, namely, as the philosophical foundation, meaning that Pancasila is the basis for thinking about the state and life together. As an ideology, meaning is the view of life of the Indonesian people, and as a juridical basis, which is the highest legal footing in state administration. In other words, all policies and regulations in Indonesia should not contradict the value of Pancasila. Basic concept of the state. Before we go further, it is also important to understand what is state is. A state is a legitimate organization of power over a certain territory and people. In the preamble of the 1945 Constitution, the purpose of the Indonesian state is clearly explained, namely, to protect the entire Indonesian nation and all the people of Indonesia, to improve the general welfare, to educate the national life, to participate in the implementation of world order based on freedom, lasting peace, and social justice. Well, all of these goals are carried out based on the value of Pancasila. The urgency of Pancasila as the state foundation. What is Pancasila important as a state foundation? Because Pancasila becomes the highest legal foundation which should not be violated by any rules under it. It provided direction and guidance for all government policies, and most importantly, it unified the very inverse Indonesian nation. But its term of ethnicity, religion, culture, and language. Sources of Pancasila as the state foundation. Pancasila as the state foundation has 4 strong sources, namely, juridical. Pancasila is contained in the preamble of the 1945 Constitution and the highest legal basis in the constitution system. Historical, formulated by BPUPKI and ratified by PPKI on 1945. The next, sociological. Its value lies in the culture and tradition of Indonesian society since long ago. Political. Pancasila is the result of an agreement or national consensus from all elements of the society. Dynamic and challenge. However, along the way, Pancasila was not always understood and practiced correctly. Dynamics occurred, for example, during the New Order. Here, Pancasila was used more as a tool of power, so its meaning was obscured. Today's challenges are also not light. Globalism and liberalism, the sometimes break forage value, intolerance and radicalism that threaten unity, and the lack of appreciation of Pancasila value among the younger generation. Essence and urgency. If we summarize what is the essence and urgency of Pancasila, essentially Pancasila is the source of all sources of law in Indonesia. Its values are elaborated in the constitution, laws, and various state policies. Urgency Pancasila becomes the unifying tool of the nation, provides the direction of state life in accordance with the personality of the Indonesian nation, not imitating other countries' countries. Relationship between Pancasila and the Constitution and Proclamation. Pancasila also has a very close relationship with the Proclamation of Independence and the 1945 Constitution. The Proclamation is the moment when Indonesia was born as an independent country. Pancasila is the soul that directs the direction and the content of the independence, and the 1945 Constitution is the legal elaboration of the value of Pancasila. In practice, the value of Pancasila should be reflected in political, economic, socio-cultural, and defense and security policy. In conclusion, I can conclude that Pancasila is the main foundation of the Indonesia state that is able to accommodate the diversity of our society. It guides the direction of the life of the nation and state, and our duty as the younger generation is to maintain life and practice the value of Pancasila in our daily life. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully, this presentation can add to our common understanding of how important Pancasila is as the basis of the state. If here are any question or response, I am very open to discussion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.